What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are heading over to the paint shop here locally at Scuffga's Auto Body to drop off our SSP Coupe build to get painted. Got a little twist for you though today in this video, so you want to stick around to the end. I got something a little bit different going on. The SSP, you know this is an old cop car?
Is it?
Yeah. It had an antenna here to figure out what color we're actually going to paint this today and how much of a time frame we're looking at. So let's get into the video and get over to the paint shop. All right, guys, so we arrived over here at Scuffga's Auto Body. If it doesn't look familiar, we actually shot a video right here with the Rescue Fox. If you remember the red two-tone car that we brought in that had significant structural damage. Let's get this car off the trailer, figure out what the time frame is and set it up, and I'll tell you what color we're gonna paint it. So we gotta move it to the back where we're gonna offload it in the back by the paint shop, and then we'll be able to talk to a few guys about how much paint we're gonna actually need for it. I'm excited just to get it painted. So check this out, I gotta show you this. We got an SSP ex-former police vehicle, right? And it too was in an accident. And inside the body shop here, there it is. Another police vehicle. Not a state highway patrol, but I thought that was pretty unique that there was another police vehicle here. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the paint shop real quick. And you guys remember this guy from fixing the Rescue Fox. It's good to see you. He got rid of his Foxbody, he said. Yeah, you had that white GT, right?
Right.
Oh, from Carolina. Why'd you get rid of it?
I just don't know.
Really? People get tired of working on them. People just...
Oh, it was pretty cool. You know, I had it all. I had it like 12 years.
Yeah. Drove the shit out of it, didn't you?
Left a lot of black marks.
Where the antenna was, a big 15-footer. And if you look inside the car here, you can see the light bar here. You can just take this off. You see here? Yep. Now this is called a buck tag. See it right here? This is police. Got fenders, front bumper, rear bumper, the side trim. Everything should be off. These are pretty easy to take off. What do you think? This is Rob from Scuffga's. He's got this
1980 Pontiac Trans Am.
1980 Pontiac Trans Am. What do you think of the, how much time you think could be in there? Quite a bit?
Time wrapped up into her.
How severe you think that cow panel is going to be? You can see what happened here.
Oh yeah.
Just went whoop.
Might get lucky and might just pop right out of there. Get up
Take a
underneath
look.
of it.
That's what I was thinking
Get
too.
most of it out of there. I think it'd be repaired.
I don't think it really got super bent. I don't think they were going very fast when it happened.
Right.
Like versus if it was, they were going really fast, it would have just damaged the whole roof and it would have broke the glass and it would have really put the, I've seen them a lot worse than that, but we're gonna be chopping the front of it off. We're putting a tubular in here, so you guys only need to paint just past here, if that saves you time. Pretty much right here and back, all that. Like I said, this has been in an accident before. You can see the K-mount, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so you got an apprentice painter that's going to be painting this.
Yes.
And you guys are, that's really cool. So it'll be like the first time he's painted here, or?
No, he's painted it.
Now you said he went fourth in state or something?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll be back in a few hours. We'll talk to him real quick about it, and then we'll talk about how much time, and then we'll go through the paint real quick, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm here with Josh, the guy who's going to be painting. This is the SSP. You know this is an old cop car?
Is it?
Yeah. It had an antenna here. There was a light bar up top. This is stuff you got to deal with the paint. It's going to kind of be a pain in the ass, but what do you think?
Dude, this thing's sweet. I got here, I was checking it over. It's sweet.
It's a lot of work, though.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah. There's a little bit of damage here. I think maybe we could pull it out, possibly by chance. But you're the expert, so you're like an apprentice.
Yeah.
An intern.
Pretty much. I go to a career technical school up at Jefferson.
Okay.
And I'm learning. I've been in the shop for about 2 years now. I'm really taking after this. I love what I do.
So you placed like 4th in the state with your like Camaro or something.
Yeah, actually, I went down to state to compete at a Skills USA competition.
Cool, man.
And yeah, we did really good.
That's cool, man. They don't normally do custom work here at the shop. And he had explained to me that, you know, hey, it would be a great opportunity for you to, I mean, the car's not gonna be perfect. It's gonna get raced a lot.
Yeah.
But, you know, I'm really excited to see, you know, how you guys do on it. I mean, I'm bringing you guys the paint. We're gonna be painting Deltron DBC, but black always paints real thin anyways. So just so you guys know, we're actually painting it back to the original black, and we're gonna vinyl wrap the tan into the top. So we're gonna bring the car back to its roots when it was an SSP cop car, and it's gonna be really cool. How much time do you think is gonna be in this?
I'm hoping it'll be done about a month.
About a month. Okay.
About a month.
Be done and painted.
Hoping so.
That's perfect. I appreciate you guys looking at it for me. And like, all right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you for the video. What a great opportunity for me to get the coupe painted in a pretty timely manner. Otherwise, the paint shop would have been booked up till like June before they could even touch it. So it gives Josh an opportunity to show off his skills painting our coupe Mustang here on the channel. And I super appreciate the owner at Scuffka's allowing me to get my car in and get it painted. So that's why you've seen us making a big push to get it painted first. We have an opportunity and we seized it. We should see the car here in about a month, but we are going to update you guys in some short videos on the process. But all right, guys, so if you enjoyed the content, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Check out the join button. But outside of that, guys, I just appreciate you watching. I'll see you soon in the next video.